Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Kevin in KTR. So today we are going to make this drawing in KTR V5. So let's start our drawing. So first we are going to mechanical design, part design. I name this part 1. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So for this drawing first we are going to make this horizontal shaft. So first we are going to take YZ plane, then sketch, then select a circle, and then make a circle and give the dimension diameter 50, then exit sketch, head. We are doing here a mirror extend and in the length type here 150 divided by 2 75. Then in second step we are going to make this side shaft. So go first select a ZX plane, sketch, circle, and give the diameter 50. Exit sketch. Then fade it at a distance of the distance of 100 distance. Type here 100. Do not do mirror extend. This side shaft is be ready. So after that we have to make this hole. So for that select this plane, XY plane, sketch, select a circle and make a circle to the origin and make a circle, and after that give the diameter of this circle is 20. So double click on it and type here 20. After that exit sketch and fade it at upside and at a length of 35. Here is it given 35, length 35. This side will be ready, and after that in fourth step we have to make this. So for that select YZ plane, then sketch, and after that select this edge and project it, and then select a line and make a line. After that mirror this line. Reference is horizontal, mirror, and then select a circle and make a circle, and then let's see the dimensions. The distance from this edge is 22.5 and the diameter is 25. So give this circle diameter 25. Then from this point to this point the distance is 25 divided by 2, and then the distance from this line to the horizontal axis is 12.5. So this is our whole is ready, and now and the length of this line is 22.5. After that trim the extra part and delete this reference line. No, do not delete this reference line, just trim it. Trim from this side, then exit sketch. And we have to do a mirror extend, but the dimension, the paid distance is total 70. So select paid tool, and after that here mirror extend and the length is 35. Preview. Again select a plane 35, mirror extend, preview. Okay, this is also ready, and after that in the last we have to make this part. So for that select here a plane at a distance of 50, at a distance of 50. No, 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 no. Yes, 75. From here, from this point to this point, this is total 75, and from this is 20. So 20 plus 5, 25, and 75. 25 minus 75, 50. So make a plane, and select YZ plane, and the offset distance is 25, 50, 50, 50, and then let's see. Select this plane, sketch, fit to screen, then select a center line, and then make a line from to this side, and then give the angle from the horizontal side. Here is the angle is 45 degree. So double click on it and type 45 degree, and the length of this center line is 100, and then select a circle and make the circle to this point, and the diameter of this circle is 8. Radius is 8 and the diameter is 16. So double click on it and type here 16, then select the line. Before that, select a line, select the circle and project it. After that, select a line and make a tangent to this circle. Here is a tangent. Select this line and mirror it. This tangent is ready. So trim the extra part, trim this circle extra part, and this circle, again this circle, and after that again select a circle and make a circle, and the diameter of this circle is radius is 3.5, so the diameter is 7, and after that select a line, zoom it out for better view, make a tangent line, and the length of this line is 50, 50, and then again select a line, make a tangent line at a 50 distance, then select a circle and make a circle and give the diameter 7 and then select this center point and this point and give the distance 3.5. After that trim the extra part, trim it, delete this and trim from here. Exit sketch, paired, mirror extend and the length is 5 because total paired is we needed is 10. Then mirror this part, select this part and the mirror element, object to mirror, again select a mirror and then paired 5. Okay, this part is ready and in the last uh, we only needed is holes. So for that select this plane and fit to screen, then select a circle, make a circle and give it the diameter 30 diameter, exit sketch, pocket, select a pocket, mirror extend and then the type to last, preview, up to last, preview. Why this is not coming? Dimension, select dimension and here is the depth, 100 type here, mirror extend, preview. Okay, this is ready and after that select this part, this plane, then select a circle, make a circle and give the diameter. The diameter of this hole is 10. Diameter of this hole is 10. 10. Then exit sketch, pocket. Select pocket and type here 35. 35 hole is ready and after that we need from this select this circle, this plane and then sketch, fit to screen and then select a circle, make a circle and give the diameter 30. 30, exit sketch, sorry, pocket at a distance of 100, the depth type here 100 and after that select this plane, sketch, fit to screen, select this edge and project element and make it into dash. After that select a circle and take it to the center point and remove this edge, remove this construction line, give the diameter of the circle. Diameter of this circle is where is the diameter? 16 and the paired distance is 10. 16. Double click on this and type here 16. Exit sketch, pocket up to 10 mm. After that mirror extend, select mirror command and select this hole, and then select a plane. Okay, I think our part is ready. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. And thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel. Thank you.